independence or what? Because we know it already by this time. And we are one of many countries having a supply problem. And the price of oil is that's very nature of it. The animosities that will create some fractions negatively to the price of oil.
But we didn't ask Russia for that.
Can I get oil from you? Can I buy oil? How I wish I can do that. How I wish.
No, it's not.
But I think there are some talks with your principal in other countries. I guess positively. From what I've been hearing.
We're receiving something, but also real critical and exact. We have to understand what is the message from your government. From Manila City Hall, we understand that
It's about my pay grade. But I have always wished for peace and stability across.
of course.
Because that will create opportunity for everyone. There is certainty and stability in a community, in a city, in a country, and relationship with others.
It's a whole world.
Yep. Anyway, with regard to relationship, yung ano natin, sister city,
Yes.
Interesado si, they're very much interested.
It's already in process from the city legal. It is now with Stami. It's already with the DILG central office, and then it will go to the foreign affairs before it comes back to us.
When do you plan to?
But hopefully, we're on target for May.
May. Ah, talaga?
So
That's
I
nice.
repeated that I also said during this celebration of Chinatown realization event, very interesting. We spoke about the exact dates that I hope that you will put just in your schedule.
Sure.
There is a draft of the program. The Moscow City government just prepared with the help of the embassy, of course, and we hope it will be suitable for you, for your schedule, because there are some
25. Yeah.
Thank
I'll
you.
make myself available. 25, 26, 27,
No, 25, 26.
25, 26.
Yes, because we will start.
May.
Yes. At 10 o'clock by signing this program of cooperation that is underway. I don't know.
Yes. This is our target also.
If you have some comments, we would like to understand whether there are some.
We're just happy and honored to receive the contingent from Moscow.
Of course, it will be very contingent.
But the city legal side, there were no comments. We're just now awaiting the comments of the national agencies, like the Department of Interior.
But frankly speaking, it's quite the same program that we have signed 3 years ago with your predecessor. It reflects our fields of cooperation, including, of course, the cooperation between the city governments, between the cultural, educational entities, aim to increase our cooperation in touristics manner.
So where's this going to happen? The plenary session, development bilateral business.
After the signing of the program, yes, it will be approximately 10 o'clock in your office here, in your beautiful hall. Yes, we would like to organize also the business forum. Because
Where do you plan to do that?
that is a question. First of all, we would like to know, because last time Manila City Hall dedicated special hotel. for the accommodation of the delegation. This year, well, because in 3 years we just experienced in one hotel rather near to the embassy in Makati Diamond Residences.
Diamond Residences. So we go there.
No, we will go there, yes, in case you have no mind.
I don't mind going there.
Yes.
I don't mind.
If you don't mind, we will put the delegation there. And at the same place, we will hold also the business forum.
Okay. Mas magiging pa doon tayo
If
mag-sign.
you have some other...
You want me to sign the agreement in front of the business sector?
No, the
No,
agreement,
you want it here.
No, the agreement is product of cooperation. Will be signed here.
Yes. And after what?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, yes.
10, well, before we will talk, of course.
Then we go to
Yes,
Diamond
we go.
Residence.
Then, approximately at 12 o'clock,
Yes.
it was also mentioned 12:30.
You can confirm me. You can put it in your note. Kasi here, it's to be confirmed. Me, I'm confirmed already. After the signing, I'll go to
Beautiful.
that.
And together with the current Minister of Foreign Affairs of Moscow, Mr. Cherevin, is the head of the Department of International and Economic Relations of Moscow. You will take part in this very important meeting. After that, of course, we understand that the chess is very popular play here in the Philippines. We ask Moscow maybe to bring
One player.
grandmaster.
And play with our Grandmaster also.
Yeah, I don't know because
I don't know. Sino ba Grandmaster niya? Kasi si Eugene Torre is already, I think, retired.
Eugene Torre, I will meet him maybe.
Maybe you can ask him.
Wednesday, no. And I will ask him what about his participation in this event. But I'm not having that in Cebu because after meal we will go in Cebu. They would like to organize a special tournament before the arrival of the Russian delegation, and after that to hold the simultaneous. Maybe you can form your, I don't know, Manila chess team against Russian chess team.
Magpahanap ka nga kay Gayola ng isang batang magaling sa chess sa public school natin.
Okay.
Tapos iupo natin sa Grandmaster. It's not gonna be a Grandmaster.
Not exactly, because Grandmaster would play simultaneous against well, the high level.
We'll just look for a kid who have experience with a Grandmaster,
Maybe.
kid who are into chess from our public school. I just asked her to look for some kids to sit in a table with a Russian chess Grandmaster. Very good experience for.
But these kids should
Oh, of course.
Play-
Yeah.
play chess.
Like
Pahanap
Queen's
not
Gambit.
only we can find
Like Queen's Gambit, I don't know if you're familiar
Yeah.
with Netflix.
Pero okay yun.
If you would like to
Magandang
form-
experience yun with the Grandmaster.
As for the venue, I don't know what will be the most suitable or comfortable venue because 3 years ago we hold some kind of event, but with the support of the Sports Commission, National Sports Commission.
Baka pwede sa ano to. Sa Diamond Hotel.
Maybe
Yung Diamond
Yeah.
Residence.
Yes.
So,
Convention. Business convention. Signed convention. Then we, in
And
one
one
area,
area.
a symbolic chess game between a public school student and
And a Grandmaster.
Grandmaster
Russian.
chess, Russian chess player. Yeah.
so it's the same
Area.
area.
We'll send the kid
Hotel?
there. Oh, we'll send the kid there. So that, because you have a 6 o'clock. You have to,
The simultaneous will be at 3:30.
yeah.
Правильно?
But you have a 6 o'clock, you have to go back to Manila.
At 6 o'clock,
What is that,
the
Kevin?
Metropolitan Theatre, you mentioned that, Metropolitan Theatre, you mentioned that you prefer that the cultural performance will be held in the Metropolitan Theatre, yes?
Yes, I want.
The
Will you
matter
send
is-
delegation?
Yes, we would like to prepare the composition of Russian ballet and folk ensemble. What do you think about it? The combination.
Ballet?
Ballet and folk.
I like that.
Russian folk.
Russian ballet and Russian
Wait. Pabok mo nga to.
The Nutcracker.
folk. The matter is that,
It's very popular.
Have this book.
Swan Lake is also
Swan
good.
Lake.
Yes.
Tawag mo na
But
sa-
ballet, not on the whole ballet means some dances.
Yeah. Whoever you're going to.
Lake, I don't know, for other ballet performances. But the matter is to make it's feasible. We would like to check whether the surface in the Metropolitan Theatre is suitable
Suitable
for the ballet
for-
performances. Because frankly
I-
speaking, they need a special.
Yeah, flooring.
Special, yes.
I know.
Yes,
Very special.
Have you ever been before? Has any?
Metropolitan Theatre, I have been, yes.
They have an orchestra.
In November, it was the event.
Of the
Yeah,
president.
you were together with the president.
Yes, with the president, yes.
So you saw the physical, but
No,
not
physically, I understand it's one of the beautiful places to have this kind of cultural performance. But we should understand whether the floor, the surface, it will be adequate for this kind of performance.
If not,
If not,
a play.
if not, we will send only the folk ensemble, very, very popular and very interesting ensemble.
Is
And
it
instead
the
of ballet, we will have
Barbarian?
this, we will have this very
Barbarian?
interesting Russian dances and songs.
Berlin,
It will be better without ballet.
I
Kalinka.
think so. Because in
Kalinka, of course, yes.
I'm not-
Just heard Kalinka.
I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure about the ballet thing. I like the ballet,
The ballet because of
but
the
the flooring
flooring.
is.
Yes, I understand.
I saw it personally. I don't know what kind of requirements, but
Let's
let me
ask
check.
now.
Pero no,
Tawag mo si CJ.
i
Capable ba sila for ballet?
pa-block mo na to po kasi block na.
26 or 25?
25 dito.
25 is it, yes.
May.
Next day means May 26. We would like to start with
There's elephant in Moscow.
there are
Really?
yes.
Can you tell us what? I don't know.
I understand, I understand, because the
Mali
second
died
was-
already.
we have bear, maybe.
Bear, I don't know. I don't want to answer something that, especially the weather.
It's too hot for the bear.
I think.
It will be
You
white
will-
bear.
Basically, you
White bear.
A white bear?
White bear. No,
White bear? But I have to put her in
In aircon.
air condition
Because you just passed through the program of the eventual.
in Pushkin.
Yes.
Yeah, we will go
Let
there.
us start with Pushkin. Pushkin is a monument situated here in Hungary.
I protected that during my first term. Secluded it, clean it, and it's being utilized with school.
Yes.
The area.
And that is why we are very good relations with your president, Mr. Manila. She was very supportive in different our initiatives. because we are celebrating every year the days of Pushkin near the monument in the Han Garden. And the matter is, as far as I know, maybe I'm wrong, but the universities and school will finish their studies approximately the dates 23.
And they have schools?
25.
May? I don't
No,
think
March is our graduation, usually.
so. But it's okay, it's a secluded area. Don't worry.
No. I'm talking about the next point of the program, because after the arrest-laying ceremony, we would like to pass, and we have done also the same program 2 years ago. We would like to pass to the same building called the Universidad de Manila, and there to hold a lecture. We can organize also the photo exhibition. regarding the
Bell na to.
In
Yung,
UPM.
yung arrangement na to. Yung flower wreath and the ceremony with Pushkin. Yung dalawa. And hindi ka. Yung next will be with the school.
With
So you have
the
to
school.
go ask
This-
their
Yes, we would like to ask your support that it should be gathering of the students, because there is a very beautiful hall inside the university, where we can make the lecture.
Alam mo saan maganda to? Si Pushkin. Tapos may obat. Diba? Di ba may stage dito? May stage na mismo doon. So, preset na yung mga students. And the lecture
Can have it
area.
there.
Parang amphitheater yun. So, we're just gonna walk together.
Yes,
Preset na yung mga possible invitees. Pero si Pelma, ano mo, para doon sa lecture.
Sa lecture.
Ano?
Will the lecture come from you?
Yes, yes,
Of course.
Yes, from our side.
Para ano lang siya.
The lecture will be-
Provide the students also.
Oh, from there,
Walk.
just walk. Like a few steps away.
No.
There's already a
The
stage.
university
That's a university.
are quite experienced in our usual procedure. So if you can give the order to gather the students,
Water?
order means the ordinance.
Oh, yes.
The instructions, well,
Yeah,
to gather the
we will.
students. Okay?
We will. I already directed the coordinator, the university president, Kalma.
Then, yeah, it's.
Yes, already.
She visited also Moscow and St. Petersburg.
She's been there already.
Yes,
What a lucky girl.
because one of the idea, we just
I wanted to go to Moscow.
What a lucky girl. President Felma has gone already.
the matter is that Ikhan Garden is very big, and maybe we can think about the building there a special monument to our sailors
Where?
in Ikhan Garden.
And Badu?
Yes.
Can you show me your proposal?
Yes.
Well, let's put it side by side with Pushkin.
25 ba?
Okay.
I mean, in the area.
In that
We still
area,
have,
yes, in that area.
Still have
Very close to the monument of Pushkin.
Okay.
Um,
Pahanap mo.
we just called them up and they have the floor capable for a ballet.
Boy.
Yes.
Talaga?
And
Good.
we also have the 25th reserved already. For us.
Ah. Thank you so much.
Very fast.
Very fast. That means immediately. The replies so fast that they can't imagine.
So the
What about-
monument for our seamen, Russian.
Because the story is very simple. In 1905, our cruiser Aurora came to the Manila Bay after the very difficult fight and battle in Tsushima.
Okay.
And unfortunately, 5 of our sailors died.
Yeah, you told me this story.
Yes.
And
I told you this story, yes. And so it will be very symbolic that here near also the monument of Pushkin, another monument of Russian.
Show me
sailors.
the structure. Anong tawag yan?
Frankly
Design?
speaking,
Design?
Feldman has everything about it. No?
Meron? He has already the copy.
Yes. Feldman had everything because
Madalas
when she was in St. Petersburg, she visited also this cruiser because now this cruiser
You know what?
is some kind of museum.
You know what? If I were to share an idea, instead of Meha, I would rather have it in our clock tower museum. So that people, like the way you're going to do with the Filipino-Chinese, ano yung isang bibigyan natin?
Czech.
Czech Republic.
Yes. Who's coming later.
Yeah. They like the idea, of a space in the museum, in the clock tower, dedicated to Czech. Czechoslovakia ba yan? Czechoslovakia? Czech?
Czech. No,
Ano?
Czech Republic.
Czech. Ganun ba yan? Hindi yan Czechoslovakia.
Czechoslovakia said before.
Okay.
Now it's called Czech Republic.
You know everything, you know the story.
No.
Better than your.
Because if we can put a space for this syllabus, a lot of people will see from time to time.
Okay.
From time to time. We can a dedicated space for them.
We can see.
A lot of people going there because it's now a museum. Usually a garbage bin of the city. Became here, we build a museum. And that is also where the Battle of Manila is located. During the liberation.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's very, ano tawag yung conducive, ano tawag yung
Cohesive.
cohesive. You may look at it. It's your call. One thing is for sure, it's welcome.
Seriously.
And where you want it, it's up to you. Whether you want it mehan, it's a garden, or in a museum where public can learn from this type of story happen in Manila with our Russian friends and our ancestors for that matter of Russian community in the country. It's up to you. You have the dibs.
So you are ready to approve everything, I guess.
Yes, you have the dibs. So
You
where
get
do you
first
want?
dibs.
First dibs. Kasi pag nakita niya yun, maano siya. Pag nakita niya yung museum.
Kaya nakasabay ka.
Hindi, iba-iba naman eh. Di ba? Ano naman siya? Panel.
Area.
Area by area. Solo lang sila eh. Ito, Russian. Ito, whoever they are. Anyway, it's your call.
Okay, we will see. Anyway,
You just send some of your stuff to
your
see.
opponents, yes. We will study, we will also transmit to Moscow City Government because they want to take part efficiently. It means they
Hey, pictures are-
contribute economically and financially to
No museum.
this.
Visual lang para
Clock tower.
sa clock tower sa cellphone niya. Para lang magkaroon siya ng idea on why is it I'm suggesting. Let me see.
One of the
Clock Tower Museum.
it would be this kind of one, rather big. So it's better to put in the open space.
Open space.
because it's a marker.
This is open space.
It's a marker.
It's a marker.
Marker.
It's a historical
Near the-
marker, I
Yeah,
think.
It's a
Okay.
You see the wall? See this piece of Berlin Wall? That's located here. Yeah, one of the walls during the during peacetime. It's there, original. One of that land.
This will be the
We were given by German government, and we put a glass on it.
Yes.
Yeah,
And this is what we
just
don't
before
want
Mehan Garden.
in the garden, like a marker.
Oh,
It's art, but we're gonna have a marker attached to it with a description, correct?
Pang-Mehan Garden. Pang-Mehan Garden. Hindi yan pwede sa museum. Yeah.
Okay, so next point will be this cooperation between zoo, Moscow and Manila Zoo. Because you know that 2 years ago,
With elephant attached to it.
I was just
teasing you, Your Excellency. Forgive me.
I know the desire of the Manila City Hall to have this kind
It's really
of.
hard.
It's really hard.
Really hard.
Because,
Even-
frankly speaking, we are a little far from Africa and maybe Laos. We have no our own elephants. Because yes, we bought some elephants for Moscow Zoo. But the matter is that 2 years ago, our two zoo concluded a memorandum of agreement for cooperation, for understanding. And from the Manila City Hall was signed by the same Manila. That is why the Moscow city government put this, it's for your consideration, this point in the program. If you don't mind, we will continue to study. Because it's very interesting, it's very popular, very attractive for the people. In case there will be real cooperation.
Actually, the vice mayor is really working hard to get
Yes.
elephant.
But they have a lot of
So
Siberian
beautiful.
tigers there. They have Siberian tigers.
I have a Siberian tiger named Kois.
Yes.
Now he's big. It's not now. Before when it was donated to us, it's a cub, but big cub. Now he can eat you already. He's big.
And has a
White,
girlfriend.
white
It's a pregnant girlfriend.
And with a pregnant girlfriend. Like his.
If you don't mind, during the preparation of the visit, we will ask Moscow Zoo what kind of real feasible cooperation they
I don't think we
bring.
can take care of a polar bear, much as we would like to have.
Where?
A polar bear.
You condition
Yes,
the
we
environment.
don't have the capability, but we can
Yeah, I think veterinarian, doctors, and
see it. Marami silang seeing. Lynx is another type of parang tigerish.
And for the conclusion of this days,
Coordinate.
Both of them.
some kind of coordination, we can call it.
Yeah.
Especially you have handsome Russians here. Maybe I hope they're single. She's single. No, just teasing you. I'm looking for boyfriend.
Yes, we will find. My embassy will have also
Her father is my friend. No? And they were asking me look for a husband for my daughter. So it's like a job for me. Another job.
It's a very difficult job.
It's a very big difficult job. But yeah, kayo na lang dalawa, Chris.
Okay.
Amanda. That's her real name.
Yes, Mayor.
From my side, from the embassy side, it will be my economic counselor, Alexei Karaivanov, who will was head of the embassy team. to coordinate.
Maganda naman yung sinabi niya. Parang naman smooth. Kasi
Yes,
maraming
yes.
activities.
We will have like a coordinating group.
Okay. Because I understand that last time they created some kind of chat, WhatsApp or something
Yes,
like
yes,
that.
like a group
Yes.
chat.
Group
Yes.
chat, and they exchanged news, considerations, some problems if there is.
So it's a faster way of communicating. Yes, we can do that.
Okay. So,
No problem, Mr. Pastor.
beautiful results. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Your Excellency. Okay. Saan na tayo?
Ito, hindi mo na.
Ay, hindi saan? Saan na ba?
Ito kasi, meron sila 25.
Ngayon pa.
Tapos meron din sila sa 26. Sabihin ka pareho.
Yeah. Ito kasi kailangan nila na. Ito kaya ko ito. I-invite ko dyan yung mga principal.
Okay. Yes.
104 principal, department heads. Tapos cheddar group. Yan. Sure. Metro. Hindi. Patawag mo yung ano. Patawag mo yung PETA.
Repertory,
Repertory.
documents,
All the
sandbox,
Saka yun na. Mobile fund.
mobile fund,
So that we see.
okay.
Lahat ng mga cheddar.
Okay.
Oo. Repertory. We'll invite some organization, theater organization, to watch the thing. Of course. But I think they know better. And I'm going to ask all the principals, school principals, because I encourage them to, every year we started last year, have a theater show, school race, and they compete among each other. Out of 104 schools, there are about 6 winners, and 6 winners will compete among each other.
There was the idea to cooperate with on the school level. It's very interesting idea. Maybe we can implement it at your office. But anyway, in my events, I'd like to invite also the highest authorities. I'd like to invite the president, maybe first lady.
We'll try the pictures.
Yes.
We'll,
I understand that you have good relations.
yeah,
Yes.
I can work with anybody. I can work with anybody. Don't worry about it. We'll reach in with especially the first lady.
So we'll invite her also.
Oo, bakit hindi?
Which part?
Kasi ano, sino yun yung ano? Film Academy? The film?
FDCP? Joey Reyes ata.
Joey Reyes.
I put now.
Para yung quality,
Yes.
sulit ba? Anong sulit?
Worth it.
Worth it yung punta. Targeted na kagad yung audience. Kasi doon na mag-i-snowball. Yeah, Your Excellency, we're very excited. We're very busy May. With Russia.
Thank you so much, because the celebration will be the date of the signing of the establishment of diplomatic relations will be June 2. But I'm trying to put it a little bit at the eve of this great Jubilee Day, because after that it will be many events dedicated to your national days, I know. So I'd like to anticipate it, and I hope that with you, with your team, we could proceed and we could succeed in our very interesting day.
Busy ka? May.
Well, smell a little bit. Hesitating, no?
She just came from, I pulled her out from regular work. She's presiding over the session. Yeah, there's a session.
I
on Monday.
remember. You know that last time, after the signing of the program, it was a special session of your council
To ratify.
to ratify. Yes.
That's
It
why
was
she's here.
also yes, a point in the program. I don't know how you can.
No, after signing, we'll send it to the city council through the leadership of the vice mayor and have it ratified, and the ratified copy will be sent to you. Don't worry, she can manage the 30 members of the city council.
Okay.
I trust her ability to persuade others.
The majority is on your part, I understand.
Don't worry, it's more than what is expected.
But also minorities are the supportive
I think so.
our initiatives.
I think so.
The same Councillor Lim.
They have to come into their service.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
And in occasion of this new year of our diplomatic relations, I'd like to give you the spin of our friendship.
Oh, di mo naman.
Lovely. Wow, thank you. Thank you. How do you say thank you in Russian?
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
Спасибо. Спасибо.
Maraming salamat.
Possible.
Спасибо.
Pag matabasa yung parang sibo.
And the confirmation of our
You sure don't know where that's You're melting the sugar from now.
It's your turn. Okay. Okay. We're drunkards.
Let's get it to what like tradition.
confirmation of
It's not one person already. I think they should forget that.
Again.
directed from Kremlin.
I'll give it to her.
Legend of Kremlin. Very, very limited edition.
Wow. Limited edition.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you. Is it okay if I give it to her?
I don't know, it's up to you.
However,
We can work after that.
Oh.
Yeah, really. I just won. Thank you.
Ay, meron akong payong.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a new one. Oh, this one is, sorry, I have open it. Because we just launched our new logo, tourism logo for Manila. And we're promoting it. We call it Manila My Manila. It tells about everyone. Manila is for everyone. Sorry, excuse me. Chinatown, Fortune Chago, Gatagay, our national dress, national hero.
Is that?
The logo, where our name came from. We love we love the
Yeah,
plant,
I know.
and of course the city. So it's Manila.
My money.
Yes.
I hope it will be no rainy time, no?
Yeah, you, at least you will be reminded of Manila
26.
during rainy season.
So that we can create a WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Here, Alexi.
Mabinigyan na natin siya ng key, di ba? May key siya.
Yes, he already has a key receipt.
The
Mr. Ivan.
Korean president was so happy when I gave him the key. He went here.
Thank you.
I am concerned.
Yeah.
I have two views.
Already?
Yes.
The first time?
The first time when I came in 2021.
Yes. Mayor. And another one.
Second time.
That's why you keep it two keys. Duplicate. You have a duplicate.
Yes, I
Yes,
have
yes.
many doors.
So many doors. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Halika, Chi. Dito ka. Dito ka sa kabila niyang ba? Para you'll be in the center. Your Excellency.
No, no, no.
No, no, no.
Yeah.